What's going on, guys? It's Cade from Beyond the Box, back with another video, and today we're taking a look at something different on the channel. Sincreative reached out to me and they wanted me to show you guys their espresso machine. Now this retails on Amazon for around $4.99, but you can pick it up a little cheaper on their website. I'll have both links in the description below. But it's an espresso machine, a high-end espresso machine. This is something you could probably see at a high-end coffee shop or just your local coffee shop down the road. This is not your normal Keurig. This does not take pods. This is a full-on coffee machine, basically. It's got, I believe, a 2.8 liter tank for the water in the back. It comes with its own coffee grinder. You can also use this milk frother to send out some hot water, just for whatever you need. If you just want hot water, if you want something to make it with. It's pretty intuitive. There's a lot of options for you to choose from. There's a dial on the front. You want to keep it between the little blue pieces up there for some high-end nice espresso that's not bitter. I just unboxed this thing. It's pretty sexy. It looks like it's made out of stainless steel or something like that. They sent it over to me and I said I would take a look at it, and to be honest, guys, I'm not much of a coffee person, so this is basically foreign territory for me. We're gonna try to get through this as best as we possibly can. So besides the coffee grinder and the water tank on the back, this does come with a removable tray to catch all your little droppings when you're making your coffees and espressos. Clean that up quickly, dispose of it, and put it right back in. And the tray is also great for when you want to clean out your system. You run some hot water through the pipe to make sure there's no milk getting stuck in the crevices, and just clean the entire system out when you're done. But with that said, let's get this bad boy on and let's figure this thing out for the first time together. So when you turn this thing on, it makes a nice little humming noise. It also has 4 LED buttons, little lights around the sides of the button. Cool little touch. Up here, while you're actually making your coffee or espresso, you can put your cup at the top. It's gonna kind of warm your cup and keep it warm while you're making your coffees. There is a hot water button, as I stated earlier, so if you just want to use hot water, you can do that. As a single and a double shot button, so if you want more coffee in your cup or less, you have that option. And on the right, there's a little preheat dial for the milk frothing machine. So let it preheat, it's gonna flash. I don't know if you guys can see that because of the angle, but it's flashing right now. And it's gonna let you guys know when it's done and ready to be used, when the light stops blinking, and then all of a sudden, oh, it's already done preheating. And you're just gonna crank it all the way to the top, and it's gonna shoot out some steam, but we're not gonna do that just yet. We're gonna try it with some milk in a minute. Anyway, let's talk about the accessories. Comes with a filter holder and 2 filters, one larger and one smaller. You can kind of see the little bit of a size difference. They can fit inside of the other. Well, almost. We're gonna go ahead and use the smaller filter. This claps right in there so you know it's secure. This is gonna be the thing that catches your finely grounded beans when you put it in. Comes with a few cleaning brushes, one with a little pointy thing on the end, a little brush right here, and it also comes with a little scoop so you know exactly how much coffee you're putting into your machine each and every time. And then it comes with your heavy set tamper, so you're just gonna push your coffee grounds in to the filter, secure it, flatten it out really nicely. Very stainless steel looking, heavy duty. I like it. Ooh, it's already spitting some water out in the tray below. That's interesting. Probably just because it's getting hot. But with that said, let's go ahead and start up our coffee grounds. So I don't have full on beans, but I do have the Starbucks Mocha grounded coffee beans already. I wasn't able to find any in my local grocery store that wasn't already grinded up. They all come in these little bags these days, at least to what I could find in my grocery store. So hopefully this works just as well when it comes to beans grounded versus unground. We're gonna put it in the grind machine. I know we're probably not supposed to, but I just wanna show you guys what the system can do. Don't get mad at me in the comments. I know you don't need it when it already is grinded. We're just gonna use it for demonstration purposes. And you can fill this entire thing up to the top if you really choose to. Okay, so I think we got enough coffee grounds in there, so I'm gonna put the lid back on now. And the way you grind it is it's pressure operated. So you stick your filter holder right here. There we go. So you guys couldn't see when I poured the beans in, but it was already grounded up pretty fine, but the machine just turned it even finer. There is a grinding system. There's a little gauge right here that you can sweep between, it looks like 1 and like 15. I think it's a good idea to keep it around an 8 or a 9 to get that super grinded powder. It's gonna be really nice for your coffee that way. not gonna have any grains or granules inside your coffee. Who wants that? So after you get it out, you're gonna tamper your coffee grounds nice and flat. You probably can't see it very well, but it looks like a mini little brown cake in there. It looks really cool. We gotta lock it into place here. I believe we start it in a left angle. There we go. Very tight and sturdy for your first time using the machine. As you use it, I'm sure it's gonna get easier to put inside. This is the very first time I've used the machine so far, so we're both learning together at the same time. So all we gotta do now is put our little coffee cup in here. And we'll choose a single shot and we'll press play. Press play, press go, whatever you wanna call it. And now we wait. Ooh. Ooh, that smells good. Let's do another. Okay, I'm excited now, guys. This looks good. So I don't know how good you guys can see in there, but there's your double shot of high-end espresso. Smells amazing. It's extremely hot, perfect. So now all that's left is to add some milk. We're gonna use the milk frother over here to see what we can get with this milk. My ex used to love frothing her milk. I'm not sure exactly what it's all about, but I think we're gonna figure it out together right now. So it's preheating at the moment. It's just gonna blink its LED a few times, and then maybe after 20, 30 seconds, it's gonna be fully heated. Then you're just gonna crank it all the way up to the max over here. Ready? Let's do it. Ooh. Ooh. I don't know if I have too much milk in here or not. Again, I'm not a barista or a baristo. I have no idea what I'm doing. We're learning this together for the first time. It's upsetting my dog. I think that's gonna be good. We'll use that and see how it goes from there. Ooh, okay then. So after you froth milk, I think it's a good idea to take a paper towel. Oh, that's very hot. That is very hot. That is very hot. Okay, take a paper towel and clean up around the sides because you don't want spoiled milk to be stuck on that. You want to keep this machine nice and clean, right? And I'll show you guys in a few minutes how to clean out the milk from the pipe that we just got pushed in there. But the moment of truth, it's time to add the frothed milk to the coffee. Oh, that's so hot. That is so hot. Holy crap. Okay, let's try this. Made quite a mess, but we'll clean it up. It's probably a good idea to add some sugar as well because I like my coffee like I like my women. Sweet. So we're gonna add some sugar really quick. Okay, this is either gonna taste really amazing or really bad. Moment of truth. Cheers, guys. Hope I don't burn my lips. Wow. Wow. Woo, woo, woo. Wow, that's amazing. That tastes so good. This is not even a fake reaction, guys. Holy crap. This tastes so much better. I have a Keurig in there and I'd never use it. This is so much better, holy crap. Wow, this tastes freaking amazing. I think I like coffee now. Another thing, really quick before I forget. So we want to clean this machine out, right? So so the hot water comes through the milk frother. So we're just gonna put some hot water in the pipe so that way it cleans it out and shoves any of the milk out so it's not nasty. We're just gonna run it for 2 or 3 seconds and you're done. So the machine is basically cleaned out as best as it's gonna get. I'm sure there's still probably some coffee grounds in there that you can use. Like I said, you could fill this all the way to the top. I didn't, but I might add all the coffee grounds to this machine after we're done filming because I plan to use this a lot. Wow, I love coffee now. Fantastic. Best coffee machine I think I've ever used. But that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned something useful. Let me know in the comments if you plan to pick this up. It is an expensive espresso machine, but it might be worth it in the long run. I think this is a super cool product. Thank you, Sincreative, for sending it out to me to check out. I appreciate it so much. By the way, guys, we are giving an Oculus Quest 2 away at 20,000 subscribers. So if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you do so. We're also giving a PS5 digital edition away at 30,000 subscribers. So if you guys are new, hit that bell icon so you're alerted to every video I put out. We do a lot of unique stuff on the channel. We've never done anything like this before yet. This is what my channel is all about. Cool, fun inventions, consumer technology that will make all of our lives easier, happier, and better. So stay tuned for the future because there's a lot of cool stuff coming. I hope you guys enjoyed. Smash that thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.